All right, so this is actually all right. This is the video too. Probably gonna be posting all night because I'm just in here, just really catching the vibe of my room, new room, man. Actually, let me show you what I got going on real quick. So this is my new setup here. I got, again, my three monitors here, my laptop. I got my jacuzzi, new jacuzzi thing from Amazon that was like $13. I'm proud of that thing, man. The last one I had was a piece of shit. And I got this going on right here. Just being honest, showing you what is going on. I got a situation going on in my house, so it's kind of uncomfortable to sleep. So yeah, I'm just explaining to you guys what's going on. But let's get back into this video. Let me set this camera back up. I'm a real private person at that too, so I kind of like to keep my shit to myself. All right, let's get this shit set back up. Here we go. All right, can we focus? Ooh. There we go. All right, so one of the things you want to look for when you're setting your trend lines, trading anything, man, you gotta go on the lower time frame. So well, I'm not even gonna explain what I mean by lower time frame. Everybody should already know what that is. All right, so I am actually trading Bitcoin right now. I am working this trend line right here, and what I mean by a lower time frame, you cannot actually see what's going on this higher time frame, which is the hourly. So if you look in a little bit closer, I actually have this little blue line here drawn, but I only drew it because I was trading on a lower time frame. So right now this is the hourly. So we're gonna zoom back out and we're gonna go to a lower time frame as low as 15 minutes. And now you can actually see what I'm talking about. So now you can see where Bitcoin actually lost a little bit of momentum and pulled back and retest this line and ultimately push back up. We're gonna go to a lower time frame as all the way down to the 3 minute, and you can see where to push at. So when I noticed that the consolidation started happening in this zone right here, down to the 1 minute, I opened up a short position around this area right here, shorted it all the way back down to the trend line in which it started pushing back up. So again, I am on the 1 minute time frame, and I think you can only get the 1 minute time frame if you actually have a subscription with TradingView, in which I do. So you want to make sure you're flipping between the hourly and all the way back down to the 1 minute, just so you can get a clear understanding. Another trade that was going on was XMR. It was trading at XMR was trading at I think 253, I believe. No, sorry, 256. And that was another short opportunity because of what I had going on Bitcoin. So everything else follows Bitcoin. So if you want to, you can short other altcoins instead of Bitcoin, so you can get a higher percent or you can lose a higher percent as well. So with that, man, I am gonna get off of this motherfucker. I'm gonna keep my trade open with BTC for a little bit longer. I'm gonna be looking to sell around 48,010 just so I can get a little bit more confirmation to see if it's gonna push the upside. So again, these red lines here, my horizontal lines, are all on the daily, and that's how I like to trade. And the yellow ones are on the hourly. Again, don't stay too consistent with me placing them at the hour. Red at the daily and yellow at the hourly, because I change it all the time. Because a lot of times I like to go and delete everything and refresh my whole entire screen and figure out where I'm at, just like I did right there. So right now I'm pretty much got my confirmation that this trend line here is something that Bitcoin is working off of. I don't really need to work with a daily right now because I'm pretty content with what's going on. So I can redraw my trend line here, knowing I got to trade in right here in this area right here. Let's move this up a little bit. And I like to move it up to the most consistent area where Bitcoin has bounced off it. So with these right here would be false breakouts. So those are some things you got to worry about. So with that, man, we are done, man. We're going to sit here and see if we can collect a little bit more money on Bitcoin and keep it moving. Peace.